this is the indicator installation tutorial, how to install the indicator. So first thing you need to do, you go to the album modular avatar. Click your company and then you go search out modular avatar and you press on the plus. You press on the plus button. It's loading. It's spinning around. Packages and other successfully. You go to Unity and you wait until it compiles all the scripts. And now what you do is you drag the indicator. You drag the indicator.unity package into the Unity and then you import and then very good indicator. So there's like two prefabs for the people who want to install it manually. Use this one, the indicator. For everyone else, just use modular avatar. Okay, so what you do is you take the E and then you put it in here, and then you put this, and then you attach it to the left hand, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, and left is this one, so you use it here, and very good, and you can also just add multiple of them, so you copy paste, and you can add one on the chest if you want, just added one on the chest, this, okay, so you take this, and then you put another one on the that's it, you did it. Congratulations. Go to shoot and go to build, and then you just upload the avatar, build the publication, upload the avatar. Okay, now we'll go to VRChat. I'll show you how it works in VRChat. I'll show you what the desktop, This is a really good tutorial. This is very informative. So this is how it works. This is the indicator. So it detects your E's. So if you keep saying E, it's gonna start shooting a bunch of E's. And it's also mute compatible. So if you're a mute and you can't say E, you can just go to the menu and you can just shoot the E's. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for buying my product. It's very good. Goodbye.